For improved visibility during nighttime driving, the navigation option incorporates. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the launcher boasts exceptional performance-driven features aimed at saving users significant time throughout their day. This is Android AutoZen-Car Dashboard and Launcher. First we have to download and install the software into your car stereo unit. It will take a time and I will speed the time. Once the download is completed, there are few steps to follow. During that wizard, you have to give permissions to access contacts, messages, etc. If you want premium features, you can buy the product or go to trial version to test the software before purchase. The Android AutoZen-Car Dashboard and Launcher app is designed to elevate the driving experience with a streamlined and customizable interface. Boasting a minimalist design, the dashboard offers an intuitive layout with easy-to-read icons for essential functions. Users can personalize their driving environment through customizable widgets, rearranging them to suit individual preferences. With seamless integration of voice commands, hands-free control is at the forefront, and custom voice commands enable swift interaction with specific app functionalities. Gesture controls further enhance the user experience, allowing for quick navigation without distracting touchscreen interactions. The app prioritizes safety with features such as smart notifications and auto-reply for messages, discouraging phone use while driving. Offering various theme options, dark mode for night driving, and integration with Android Zen mode, the app ensures a focused and personalized driving environment. Regular updates guarantee compatibility with the latest Android Auto versions, while community features foster sharing of layouts and tips among users. The navigation feature in the Android AutoZen-Car Dashboard and Launcher app significantly enhances the driving experience by offering a user-friendly and efficient way to access various functionalities. The interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, ensuring that users can effortlessly navigate through different functions. With quick access to essential features such as music control, weather updates, and communication tools, the navigation menu promotes convenience while minimizing distractions. One notable aspect is the inclusion of customizable shortcuts, allowing users to define and organize their preferred features for quick access. This personalization enhances the overall user experience by tailoring the interface to individual preferences. The integration of voice-activated navigation through Android Auto's voice command system enables hands-free control, contributing to a safer and more convenient driving experience. The navigation system goes a step further by offering smart suggestions based on historical usage patterns, anticipating and providing access to features users are likely to need during specific driving scenarios. Gesture-based navigation adds to the ease of use, allowing users to navigate between screens or functions with intuitive swipes, reducing the need for direct touchscreen interaction and enhancing overall user safety. Real-time traffic information is seamlessly integrated into the app, aiding users in making informed decisions about their routes and potentially suggesting alternative paths to avoid congestion. The app's collaboration with popular mapping services ensures accurate and up-to-date navigation information, including turn-by-turn directions and points of interest for a smooth and reliable journey. For improved visibility during nighttime driving, the navigation option incorporates a night mode feature, adjusting the color scheme and brightness to reduce glare and optimize the interface for low-light conditions. Safety features, such as automatic route adjustments based on real-time traffic conditions and warnings about potential road hazards, further prioritize the well-being of users. Additionally, an offline mode may be available, enabling users to download maps and navigate even without an internet connection, particularly useful in areas with poor connectivity. By seamlessly combining these features, the navigation option in the Android AutoZen-Car Dashboard and Launcher app aims to deliver a seamless, personalized, and safe navigation experience for users during their journeys. This is Arc Launcher. This launcher is very important because, if your car stereo unit is vertical one, you can use this launcher. But do not use for normal horizontal head units. Due to the installation is taken more time, I will speed up the time. Arc Launcher offers a visually stunning and highly customizable experience for Android users, featuring a variety of 3D/2D themes catering to different preferences, including sci-fi, gaming, superheroes, superstars, and more. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the launcher boasts exceptional performance-driven features aimed at saving users significant time throughout their day. Top features include live themes, premium themes, wallpapers, and the ability to create personalized themes through DIY options. The launcher also integrates an inbuilt music player for controlling music apps, weather and news updates in 23+ languages and countries, compatibility with various icon packs from the Play Store, and a performance center providing detailed phone stats. Arc Launcher's AI voice assistant responds to voice commands for tasks such as changing wallpaper, themes, boosting the launcher's performance, and launching specific apps. The app provides a rich selection of exclusive themes, including Iron Theme, Galaxy on Fire, Superhero Ant, Tron Techie Technology Theme, Premium Gold Theme, Royal Black Themes, and Neon Theme, among others. Introducing a specialized launcher designed for use in cars, this versatile program can be utilized on phones, tablets, and Android-based car radio tape recorders. Beyond its convenient program launching capabilities, it serves as an onboard computer, providing users with a useful calculation of the distance covered over various time periods. GPS data permission is required for this function to operate in the background. Key features of the program include the ability, for free version users, to set it as the main launcher accessible via the home button, particularly relevant for radio tape recorders. Users can also add an unlimited number of applications for quick access on the main screen, organize them into folders, Pro, and easily switch between them. The program also allows for the editing of selected applications, with a long press on an icon opening the editing menu. The main screen prominently displays the exact speed of the car based on GPS data, and additional features include the display of speed in the status bar, a quick call for the list of all applications, and a menu slide featuring an onboard computer. This slide displays real-time information such as current speed, distance covered, average rate, total operating time, maximum speed, acceleration metrics, and best time and speed for a quarter-mile run. Users can customize the display time for each parameter. Additional features encompass the option to switch between speed units, miles or kilometers, a program startup option upon device activation, for radio tape recorders, 3 default theme choices for the main screen, support for third-party themes and players, weather information, internet required, location details, internet required, and the ability to select a startup image for the program. Further customization options include changes to the color gamma of text, wallpaper color adjustments, addition of personal wallpapers, automatic screen brightness control, and a screensaver with various settings. The program supports system widgets, multiple additional screens, and extensive editing options for any subject, allowing users to stretch, delete, relocate, add actions, change widget names, adjust text size, modify widget backgrounds, and more. A wide array of widgets specific to Car Launcher includes visualization, analog clocks, speedometers, address widgets, movement time, maximum speed, time of stops, and acceleration metrics. Settings for selected applications offer infinite scrolling, grid size adjustments, side bend, and flex angle changes. Users can also add or modify logos and access expanded settings for changing the color gamma. This comprehensive launcher provides a tailored and feature-rich experience for users seeking enhanced functionality while navigating in their vehicles.